Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, this week I was saying that this looks like a possible end of a flat right here, like an expanding flat. But if it was the end of an expanding flat, we would have made a very impulsive movement to the downside, which we haven't. Instead, we made a very overlapping pattern, which makes me think that this move right here is actually a correction to the last wave up. Now, today is the big day. Today is Tariff Day, or Liberation Day, as Trump is calling it. So honestly, anything could happen. I've never traded to a tariff war before, so anything could happen. But I do think because this break is structure, we should end up doing something like this. Maybe go up one more time for a B and then down for a C to one of these lower Fibonacci levels to make what I think should end up still being a proper ABC correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So let's take it back down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, this is very corrective, very sideways price action. We already got a 78% fib bounce, so keep an eye out for a higher low. It could possibly make a higher low, start a pretty decent little uptrend to the upside, and maybe this is actually still a wave A, this is a wave B, and this is a wave C, and this whole thing down is actually just a wave A, and then this is an ABC of B. Seems like the Elliot wave pattern would likely play out like this, but like I said, today is a big day. It's tariff day, and it really could do anything it want on these type of days. So stay safe, use proper risk management, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.